Hey guys, we are back for round 2 of the minus32 donuts. I've got with me Mr. 6, Mr. 9, and they are going to taste test some of these magnificent donuts with me. And as you can see, they're excited. Alright, so Mr. 6 would like to sample the Oreo cookie donut. Mr. 9, I think this is Ferrero Rocher Nutella, and I'm going to give this white one a go because I have absolutely no idea. Quietly hoping it's lemon meringue.
Oreo.
Grab the Oreo off the top. Enjoy.
Can I grab this off the top?
Go for it. Either way, guys. And I will show the people. Oh, look at that. That looks like it's filled with caramel. So
Nutella.
You try that one, and you have this half of one, but don't eat it all, guys. Just take one bite, and then we'll sample some more. Okay? Custard is nice in the center, not too super sweet. What do you think?
Pretty good. I love the caramel in it.
It's really nice. How are you going?
Still
I know, you went too hard, too fast. Right.
Wonder what this one is.
I know it's got a beautiful crunch when I cut it though.
Yeah.
Oh,
That looks like meringue.
that looks like lemon meringue. There we go.
I love lemon meringue.
So we'll cut this like this. You have a bit, tell me what it's like. We're rushing too fast for Mr. 6. What did you think of the Oreo one, buddy?
Good.
What did you like about it?
Maybe this lemon tart.
Inside.
Custard inside was nice? Good job.
It kind of tastes like lemon tart.
Does it? Alright, let me give it a go. I love the meringue bit on top.
It's a bit too lemony.
I never got one of those.
Try that. That is so nice and
Oh, no,
crunchy.
this is definitely meringue.
That's really nice. The lemony is sweeter than I'm used to. I'm used to doing a thicker butter. I think this is more
I'm eating my other quarter.
more sweeter.
I'm eating my quarter.
It kind of tastes like your lemon tart.
He's getting too excited. How about we go try more donuts? Alright.
Maybe.
Now, as you know, these are gourmet donuts. So they're probably not just a basic kids donut. So I wouldn't really go for these two. But if you're having a party, I guess you would. Would you like these at a party?
Definitely.
Yeah. Excuse my hands, guys. So, you know, kids will be happy with any donut. These they're really liking. So I suppose if you're doing a fancy kids party, you would definitely give them a go. All right.
Yeah.
Go for it. You want to grab this one or this one? He's going to go on a ball and a Nutella on it. So this is the Ferrero Rocher Nutella.
So good.
Yeah. What can you taste? Can you taste the peanuts on top?
I love it.
Oh, that's fantastic. Once again, the icing on top is not just the icing sugar. It's actually proper Nutella. But what makes these donuts is they're proper ingredients they're using inside them. So this is nice fresh peanuts and Nutella and the perfect nice soft donut, isn't it? It's really soft and easy to eat, isn't it? What's your thoughts on it?
I highly recommend these.
It's a bit too nutty.
A bit too nutty? I thought you liked nuts.
But the nuts and Nutella don't go very good.
Don't go well in your palate? Which one is your favourite though?
The Oreo.
Oreo, because that caramel is heaven, isn't it? With caramel, it's very hit and miss the way they make it, but that was smooth and a creamy caramel sauce, which was really nice. We're only going to try these 3, guys. Excuse us chewing and excuse our dirty hands. If we ate all of them, that wouldn't work. But this is perfect for a big birthday party. If we're having a family gathering.
Yeah.
Imagine we had all the family around and everyone got to pick one of those and chop and choose.
I would pick
Oreo. I highly recommend these donuts.
What about you, buddy?
Let's go for a party.
It's good for a party. Would it be good for your party? Party, businesses. If you want to say sorry, if you want to say well done, if you want to say I love you, Mum. And you know the best part of saying I love you, Mum? If you give her a box of these donuts, we get to eat them as well. All right, guys, take it easy.
Oreo one.
All right, you get a box of Oreos, would you? All right, cheers, guys.